This vlog is about traveling in Thailand. We are in Bangkok and we are headed to Chiang Mai, and that means home, which is really nice. Right now we're in a taxi heading to the bus station. We bought bus tickets online and then we have to go to the counter and get our tickets and then board the bus. So it is 6:50 right now in the evening, and I don't feel like I'm going to enjoy this overnight bus ride, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not feeling very good. Been feeling a little sick today. Sometimes you get sick and you just gotta keep going. It's the second tallest building in Bangkok. Is the bus station. There's a lot of people here. That doesn't look like there's a lot of people. There's some people coming. There's a few minutes ago it looked a lot fuller, but anyway, there's lots of people because it's the holidays, and we have our tickets now for the bus, and it leaves in an hour and 20 minutes. So now we gotta wait. Look at who's here. So we're on the bus. That's Hannah. I feel like miserable. Yeah, I'm just out of it. And I wish this bus ride was over already. And I was calm. But I'm not. And Philippians 4:11 says, whatsoever, I'm not even going to be able to say it now. I have learned in whatsoever state I am, there was to be content. See, I did it. So I'm going to try and be content and sleep. We'll see how this goes. When we were in Indonesia, we both got sick, and this trip up from Bangkok, I've not been feeling good. I'm still not feeling good. And it reminded me of a time when I was with a friend of mine, and we were hiking into a school that was almost 12 miles hiking up and down mountains, through rivers, through mud that was up to my calf. When we hiked in, I pulled a muscle in my leg on Thursday. We were planning to leave on Sunday. Sabbath morning he got sick, Sabbath afternoon I got sick, and we were really sick. Then Sunday morning he's like, I can't go. Sunday afternoon he said, yeah, I'm up to going, and I said, I'm not up to going. And so we waited. And it was like Monday morning, I was like, we have to go, because I had to be teaching. So Monday morning, we set off. I had eaten like 2 meals in the last 2 days, and this hike was not easy. And so we took off, and for the first 2 hours, I had a pretty good pace. And then after that, it slowed down. And Jason would hike, and then he would stop and rest. And then I would catch up to him, and I wouldn't rest, I'd just keep going. I was in the slow and steady mode. And then it started to rain, like a legit tropical rainstorm. And just had to keep going. And it took like 7.5 hours to get out. And there were a lot of times that it was just pretty miserable. But in one of those times when Jason was hiking with me, I was commenting about how it's kind of hard. And he said, yeah, you know, there's lots of times where it's hard, but you got to remember why you're doing it. We just pulled into the bus station in Chiang Mai, and we managed to sleep a little. Not too bad. I still don't feel good, but I'm thankful to be here. So now we have to go out, get our stuff from under the bus, and find a way to get to the church. First thing you notice when you step off the bus is Chiang Mai's cooler this time of year. It's the cold season, and so Chiang Mai's up more in the mountains, and it's a lot cooler than Bangkok. So we're enjoying that, and we're waiting to get a ride on one of those. It's called a Songthaew. So we made it
to the truck.
We made it to the church and to the truck. And now we need to figure out something about breakfast, hopefully. Go to the market and get food and then go home. Oh, that would be wonderful. I hope. As long as it's not filthy. If it's filthy, she'll laugh. She's already laughing. We're in the market, and it's the morning, and it's a little crazy. But figured we might as well do it while we're in town. We went to the market and did a little more shopping, got a few things, and then we had to come to immigration to report that we're back in the country. And now we finally gotta go home. It's almost noon, so we're ready to be back. So we got home today, and it's great to be home. There's cleaning to do, of course, but you know, that's the way life goes. You know, yesterday, or last night rather, on the bus, I was like, I don't feel good, I don't like this, you know? But why am I doing this? God's called us to do work that requires travel, and so that's part of it. It gets a little worse when you're sick, but it's all worth it, because God doesn't call us to do something that isn't going to be eternally worth it. For me, in character development, or for other people in reaching out to them. So that's just my thought right now. When the hard times come, don't forget who's with you, because God is always with us. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you enjoyed it, hit like. If you have a question, comment. And if you'd like to, you can subscribe to our channel and never miss a video. So we'll see you in the next video.
On Mission Viewfinder.